Hello friends, in this video I shall show how to use basic git commands and make your project trackable. So let's start. I have a folder named git folder and there are two files in it, hello-git.txt and hello2git.txt. So it is not a git repo actually. You can see that if you run any command of git, it will say that it is not a git repository. So to make this folder as a git repo, initialize the git using git init. So now you can see that initialized empty git repository. Okay, so after making a folder a git repo, you can see that I have two files that are now in the stage of untracked. Here it is denoted by U. So to make these files trackable, you have to add it in the git repository. So to add, there is a command git add file name. Okay, so hello to git.txt. I have added this file so that it can be trackable. Now you can see that it is showing now A, it means added, but the second file is untrackable, so you cannot track any change if you do in this file. So what I want that I also want to track this file. You can type again git add hello git.txt, but what I want to show is all the files that are present in the folder, we will make them all trackable. Okay, so it is very lengthy to write each files and adding them like this, git add file name, git add file name. It will be very lengthy. So what is the direct way to do? So you can use git add dot, it means in the current folder. It means all the files present in the current folder, make it trackable. It means add in the git repository. Okay, so it will make all the files present in the current folder trackable. So enter. Now you can see that this file will also A. Now if you want to commit these files, so git commit -m, there will be message, commit message. Okay, and enter. Now you can see that all the files have been saved. And to see the all commits that you have done till now, git log -p. I am the author and this is the date on which date specific commit has been done, and this is the message of commit, and this is the hash of commit that will be used to identify any commit. Okay, and this is the head points to the latest commit, and master is the branch, so it means I am currently on the master branch and on the latest commit, because head is pointing to the master, it means I am currently at the latest commit. We will see how to move back in the commit or move forward in the commit if we are back or in detached head mode. We will see in the later video. Now these are the basic things, that what everything shows and what it means.